The Xiaomi Mi 9X smartphone, aka Xiaomi Mi A3, offers the Snapdragon 675 SoC, an AMOLED 6.4-inch screen, a triple main camera with a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, and a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, only for mind-boggling price $250. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. And if you are Xiaomi fan and new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notification of our future videos. Last week, the network has information about 3 new affordable smartphones by Xiaomi, codenamed Pyxis, Bamboo and Cosmos. It is believed that the Pyxis is the successor to the current Xiaomi Mi 6X, which will be released to the market under the name Xiaomi Mi 9X in order to stick to the flagship line of Xiaomi Mi 9. And the Bamboo and Cosmos are derivative of the new Xiaomi Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite. New data indicates that Xiaomi Mi 9X tagging for the next bestseller brand may be presented as early as next month. According to preliminary data, Xiaomi Mi 9X is based on SoC Snapdragon 675. This same platform serves as the basis for Redmi Note 7 Pro, which, as we recently learned, will remain exclusive to India and China. Also, Xiaomi Mi 9X will please a large AMOLED display with a diagonal of 6.4 inches with a drop-shaped cutout and a subscreen fingerprint scanner. The front camera, which will be located in the neckline, will be 32 megapixel like yesterday's debuting flagship camera phones Huawei P30. The main one will be tripled. The main module, the 48 megapixel sensor in the Sony IMX586, optional 13 megapixel camera with ultra wide angle lens. Finally, the auxiliary module responsible for analyzing the depth of the scene is represented by the sensor with a resolution of 8 megapixel. A 3300 mAh battery will support fast 18-watt charging. The smartphone Xiaomi Mi 9X is expected to be very thin. The thickness of the case will be only 7.5 mm. It is also said that the backside can be framed with the 2.5D curved glass and have a hologram coating like in Xiaomi Mi 9. In this case, we are talking about a special painting process providing the effect of overflowing with different colors. The price of the Xiaomi Mi 9X is also offered $250 for the version with the 6GB of RAM and 64GB of flash memory. And that is Xiaomi Mi 9X promises to be even more affordable than the current budget flagship Xiaomi Mi 9 SE with similar characteristics. It remains to wait for confirmation of these characteristics and prices from more reputable sources. Until then, the information should be taken with a bit of skepticism. Well, that's it for now. We hope you like the latest news about Xiaomi Mi 9X aka Xiaomi Mi A3. If you do, please hit thumbs up and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge, and also write your valued comments too. Until the next video, peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.